Hi y'all, it's Destiny Kiara, and as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did my passion twist. It took me only 2 hours, so like it's pretty quick and easy and stuff. And I did use a rubber band method that I did see on somebody else's channel. I think they really came out pretty. I did them pretty big, like I don't know. But in total, in my hair, I only have 26 twists. So I really like how it came out. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So first thing I'm gonna start off with is I'm gonna start off by blow drying my hair, just to like get the curls out, because I have tight curls. Like my hair, like my curls really be tight. So I'm gonna start off by blow drying it. And yeah, the hair that I'm using to achieve this look is going to be this pre-tressed braid, crochet and latch hook. Like it's crochet hair, just water wave crochet hair basically, and it's 22 inches. So I'm going to be using this to achieve my look, my desired look. So like I said earlier, I wanted the messy look. So what I did was, some of them I have like regular twists like this, and some of them I have like messy, like, let me see. Some of them I have messy, and well, you get the gist of them, but like I didn't want them to be super neat and stuff like that. So yeah, like I said, some of them are messy, some of them are regular twists like these, or like this one. And some of them are bigger. Like instead of me using like instead of me using like 2 pieces, I will use 3 for some of them. So it's either 2 or 3, and that's how I'm getting this look. But I think for the rest of my head, I'm gonna use 3 because I want them to be full, but not too full. But like I said, I do want them to look messy. Not super messy, but the way they're coming out right now, I'm really liking them. So yeah. But anyways, what you want to do? Pull the hair apart. Pull the hair apart. After you separated the hair, so however much you want to separate it, this is fine for me. What I do, I start off as a braid, because there is another way you could start them off, but I just have to start mine off as a braid because I feel like that was going to be easier. And I'm taking some of this hair gunk stuff and just putting it in my hair to, smooth it down. That's about it. Not too much, not too little. So yeah, starting off right here, connect it as a braid as tight as I can. Can y'all see that? Alright. And then I'm going to separate my hair piece into 2 and get ready for the twist. And then I'm just going to start twisting.
Stop playing with them.
Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Well, this is not finished, but I just put it in this style and did my little edges and whatnot. And now I'm gonna decorate it up. So yeah, I'm gonna put me some little ropes in there. I'm not gonna use the little beads at the bottom. I'm probably gonna use some of the ropes and maybe some of these. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So this is the finished product. I got me a little some right there. You feel me? But this is the finished product. Okay, and I need to fix this one because it's coming loose. But y'all, yeah, this is the finished product. I really like it. Of course, it looks pretty. It's not as messy as I wanted them to be, but they look pretty good to me. They look pretty, I guess. I really like them, I guess. I ain't gonna stand. I like them. I wish I had some more ropes though. Thank y'all for watching this video. It's gonna be very short. Like I want it to be very short. Like I ain't going into too much detail on how to do it because this is my first time doing them myself. So yeah, so it was like a hit or miss thing for me, and I think it was a hit. It looks pretty decent. I really like it. But if you're new to my channel, hey, hi, how you doing? I'm Destiny Kiara, if you didn't know. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to be notified when I post another video. And yeah, that's really all I have to say about this. I really like it. It looks really cute.